Welcome back to the channel, guys, and welcome to another exciting video of this Renault Trafic. We're going to be doing this roof. I think it went onto something low, I would say, obviously. So I'm just going to show you quickly what we're going to do. Well, ideally we want to replace it, but replacing we'll write this van off. That's what the boss told me. So yeah, pretty nasty. We're going to just reshape it and paint it, so hopefully it will come out alright. You're going to see I already went ahead and stripped it all inside, because I had this structure pieces here spot welded to the roof. This one is actually bent, so I'm going to replace that. So that's how it looks from inside. Pretty nasty dent, but I'm sure we can get it a little bit better than that. And idea is just to put the porta pallet on the top of here, a piece of wood, gently push this out, and hopefully it will come out. I took them corners pieces off, which I've got here. There was like two corner pieces inside there, which basically, yeah, that's how they are. But to replace this piece, obviously you have to take them off anyway. But there's damage in that corner under that piece anyway, so just go ahead and take them off, and makes it a little bit easier just to knock everything out. So right, let's crack on with it. Right, I've got the spotter power in here, and that board, the plan is basically just to obviously support it off the bottom here and get this board on there. So when I'm going to push up, hopefully this board will flex with it. It's not so thick, it's about 12 mil. So, and now we'll knock the corners out, and hopefully that will just pop out. So let's do it. Right guys, I've got it knocked out. It looks awesome, pretty straightish. I know you're going to see a few dents in here and there, but I'm just going to apply some body filler and make this smooth. So let's do it. Right guys, I've got it knocked out, sanded, pretty much ready for filler. D8 off and panel wiped, and I'm quite surprised how well that's come out, to be honest. And now we just smooth out with body filler, and let's get the boys, well, I will get the boys to paint it. So let's do it. Okay guys, all skimmed. Nice 3 skim coats on it. Looks pretty smooth now. Inside welded the panels in, and I think Bob in the paint shop will take it over now.